Hi all, myself Anjana PS, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Management, St. Albert's College Autonomous, Ernakulam. Today we are discussing about the topic of planning. What is planning? Planning means defining in advance what to do, when to do, and who to do it. It involves thinking and making decisions relating to mutual course of actions. Planning is the process in which thinking before doing. Here we are discussing two definitions of planning. The first one is J.N. Lundy defines planning is the determination of what is to be done, who is to be done, and how the results are evaluated. The second definition of planning is Cruz and O'Donnell defines planning involves selecting the enterprise objectives, departmental goals and programs and determining the ways of reaching levels. Planning thus provide rational approach. These are the two definitions of planning. Next, we discuss about the nature of planning. Here, we discussing 10 natures or characteristics of planning. The first one is planning is an intellectual process. The planning is intellectual in nature. It is the mental work of not a manual work. The manager has to think when before he space the objectives selected alternative course of action and make decisions. And the decisions cannot be make the decisions of the makes. And the second one is planning is goal oriented. Planning is not and it is software and it involves the achievement of goals. The planning is meaningfulness, it does not establish the goals and objectives of the business. It should be adhere to the objectives and goals. The third one is primary function. Planning has been described as the most basic managerial function. The other functions of management like organizing, directing, staffing and controlling etc. can perform after the planning will be created. Without planning, no other functions can be performed. The fourth one is planning is directed towards efficiency and economy. The planning involved the efficient utilization of various resources like capital, labor, machine, material, etc. Every factor of production input to production and economic use of the resources. So the output is result the more than the results of the employees. And the fifth one is planning require flexibility and planning is adaptable for changing business environment. If planning is reasonable and it will be able to achieve the business goals. The planning is a dynamic process and it will be adjust with the nature of the business organization. The next one is planning is related to objectives. Every plan specify the objectives for the future. If the objectives are performed, the effort will be not be performed. The main purpose of planning is forecast the attention and betting the making objectives of the business organization. And the next one is planning is pervasive. And planning is the function of each and everyone manages levels of pervasive function. It should be the lot of all managers in all types of organization. The top level management and prepare long term plans and mid level managers will perform this kind of planning. And the lower level managers prepare operational plans for the short term period. The eighth one is planning is continuous process. Planning is never ending activity of the management process. Of the manager will be revised with the new plans helped with the assumptions of events with the same. The second last one is planning is forward looking. All planning is done with the future period time, and planning involve the anticipating future course of action, and the no plan cannot be prepared without the knowledge of future events. So, the forecasting is the essence of planning. The last one is planning involve choices, and the planning involve the essence of alternatives, and it is essentially choosing the alternative course of actions. There is no need for planning. The planning has been doing something. These are the major natures of planning. Now, I concluding this session with the definition and natures of planning. Thank you.